The next top recommended AI tool for blogging is Quickbot. You see the link below the description of this video. It is also free, and this is one of the best tools online. You can paraphrase. It will help you check your grammatical error. It checks the plagiarism. It can help you write. It can help you summarize. You'll be able to do citation. It's going to generate it for you. You can translate your article to another language, and it has an extension. Let me show you how this will work for you. For instance, you decide to come to this website. Maybe you are into gardening. You can compete with this website by taking this topic to ChatGPT. From ChatGPT, you now take it to this platform. The first thing to do is to come up with a good outline when writing an article, and ChatGPT can help you do that easily. Your prompt determines what you get. Look at the prompt. You can see the outline the AI is giving you. So these are the outline that you follow while you are doing this writing, so that you can beat that other website in ranking. You can see a detailed and in-depth outline for this topic. So the first thing to do after the outline is to write the introduction. So look at the prompt I gave for this introduction using this outline. So you state this outline. Let's see. So this is the introduction of this article. You have the introduction of the article. All you need to do is to copy this article and come to this AI tool, Quickbot. Why are we on this platform? From ChatGPT, after you have your article, it is important you come to this platform to further enhance your article. Like, you can paraphrase your article. That is, you come to this place, paraphrase it. It will change the content to produce something similar and even better. So the objective of using this particular platform is to use it to neutralize your content so that it will not be detected as being AI content. That is, if you are afraid that Google or other search engine will flag it. All you need to do is to copy the one that you've paraphrased. One of my top recommended AI tools that you can use is originality.ai. You will also see the link below the description of this video. All you need to do is to paste your content here and you click scan now. Look at what it says. 1% original, 99% AI. All you need to do is to come back to this place and paste this article here again and reparaphrase it. You continue to rewrite until you get high quality content. You can see this has been declared to be 100% original. So all you need to do is to pick this and drop it on your website and publish. So you do this for all your content. You'll be rest assured that you are dealing with high quality content that cannot be detected and flagged as AI content. You can also use another tool, AI cheat check, to do the same thing. You will also see the link below the description of this video. All these tools are free. You can also use this platform to check and correct your grammar. All you need to do is to paste the document. If it is flagged, look at it, it has one error. You just click fixed and it will instantly fix the error. It will also take care of your plagiarism. So you see the link below the description of this video for this tool.